Want to measure land, field, or property? Meet Geo Measure Area Calculator, your smartest, free tool for quick and accurate distance and area measurements right from your phone. Let's start with measuring distance. Open the app, tap the plus button at the bottom right and select distance. Choose manual measurement and simply tap on the map to drop your markers. Watch as the app instantly calculates the total distance. Made a mistake? No worries. Just tap any marker to delete it or long press to refine your path. It's that easy, quick, and highly intuitive. Once your measurement is complete, tap Save, give it a name, and it's stored safely. To check it later, go to Saved Measures in the main menu. You can view, share, or even load a file to see an elevation chart for your route. Prefer a more flexible approach? Choose Distance and then Freehand mode. This lets you draw your path directly on the map with your finger. If you make a mistake, simply switch to the Erase tool and draw over the unwanted part. Want to measure the area of your land instead? No problem. Again, tap the plus button, choose Area, and then Manual Measurement. Drop markers along the boundary of your plot or field, and the app will automatically calculate the enclosed area. Perfect for agriculture, real estate, or construction sites. When you're done, tap Save to store your area measurement. It works just like saving a distance measurement. To mark important spots, use the Points of Interest feature. Simply tap the plus button, select POI, and you'll see three straightforward options. Latitude, longitude, enter exact coordinates if you already know the specific point. Degrees, DMS input the location using degrees, minutes, and seconds, ideal for surveys or when working with professional formats. Tap on Map. Simply touch anywhere on the map to drop a POI. Already have measurement data from another tool? No problem at all. Use the Import KML option to easily bring in your existing KML files. It's a powerful way to collaborate or reuse any existing measurement data you have. So, whether you're a farmer measuring a field, a real estate agent checking land area, or just planning a hike, Geo Measure makes it all effortless. Download it now and start measuring smarter.